In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Stripe payment link. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Payment Links. This will take you to the area where you can create and manage links for one-time payments or subscriptions. From there, click the button labeled Create Payment Link. Stripe will then ask you to choose the type of payment link you want to make. You can select either products or subscriptions, depending on what you plan to sell. Choose the option that matches your needs and continue to the next screen. Now you will need to add the item that customers will pay for. You can choose an existing product if you have already created one in your Stripe account. If not, click Add another product to create a new one. Enter the product details and make sure the pricing information is correct before moving on. After the product is selected, set the quantity if needed, and review the amount the customer will be charged. Stripe allows you to customize the payment experience by collecting customer information, enabling promotion codes, or adding custom fields. These settings are helpful if you want to gather extra details during checkout or give customers more flexibility when they complete the payment. As you make these selections, look over to the payment page preview on the right side of the screen. This preview shows you what your customers will see when they open the payment link. Review it carefully to make sure the product name, price, and checkout options appear exactly the way you want them to. Once everything looks correct, click Create Link. Stripe will then generate the payment link for you. This only takes a moment. After the link is ready, click Copy URL to copy it to your clipboard. Before sharing it, quickly verify that the link is active and ready to use. You can now send that payment link to customers through email, messaging apps, social media, or anywhere else you want to collect payment online. This makes it easy to accept payments without building a full checkout page yourself. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.